The desert awakens gently beneath deep purple skies. A small sand lizard perches silently, shimmering beige scales alert. Nearby, a pale Fennec fox crouches in curious wonder. Carefully, the lizard mimics the fox's quiet, thoughtful posture. The fox pauses, ears forward, gentle, puzzled eyes observing. Cautiously, the lizard tilts its head, sensing respectful peace. Slowly, the fox lowers its head, quietly acknowledging trust. Protectively, the lizard coils its tail closer, feeling calmness. Quietly intrigued, the fox lifts its gentle amber gaze. Now both creatures rest softly, sharing silent desert respect. Relaxed, softer eyes reveal the lizard's quiet inner ease. The fox's gentle features soften, reflecting quiet understanding. Peacefully, the pair parts ways, forever touched by kindness.